Where do I get my knowledge of sugar? Well, my knowledge of sugar first came from the classroom because I am a chemist. So chemistry and biochemistry courses, you learn about the structures of sugars and how your body uses them as fuel or as building blocks and making larger, more complex molecules. Sugar is a small molecule that actually looks like a ring. They tend to be sweet molecules, but complex carbohydrates don't. Complex carbohydrates tend to be very, very large molecules that contain lots of small sugar molecules that are linked together into a chain. Before your body can process the sugar as fuel, it needs to chop up those large carbohydrate molecules into the smaller sugar molecules that it can then metabolize. Let's consider something that we think of typically as being sweet, and that's fruits. Fruits tend to be very high in fructose. That's also a simple sugar. The fruits also contain protein and fiber. And so your body, as it processes that food, is doing other jobs. But anytime you're isolating sugar molecules from a natural source, you're going to end up with detrimental effects, but none of the benefits that would have come along from eating the whole fruit. So you can get sugar from eating complex carbohydrates, or you could get glucose really, really quickly by drinking a can of soda. And that glucose ends up in your bloodstream. Your body needs to figure out what to do with that. One of the ways in which your body uses that glucose is to store fat. How does sugar make fat? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense to a lot of people because sugar is not fat, right? Those are different macronutrients. So the stored form of fat is called a triglyceride. It has 3 fat molecules on it, and the glyceride part of it is a sugar molecule that is being used as a bridge. Simply put, if you're drinking each soda while eating a fatty meal, that can be a recipe for pretty extensive fat storage.